Gee golly, it's already the 7th of December. Time flies around here. Today we'll open a new slot on the M&M calendar. Let's see where the 7th slot is located today. Right here. Damn, this is a difficult one. But it's looks on the bigger side, but still not nearly big enough to contain a yellow bag. So I'm guessing it'll have to be a chocolate one, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was a yellow bag today. But of course, 3 yellow bags, no. Okay, never mind, forgot what I said. No, I'm guessing a chocolate bag today, on the 7th of December. Yes, looks like I was right. First of all, the logo on the other side of the calendar is some nice eyes. It let me think about the wrapper I got a few days ago, which also looked like this a bit. Alright, but then, of course, the chocolate wrapper. It looks like some M&M was skiing and had a terrible crash. That's special. But yeah, I think this is a shorter video today. But still, I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.